Welcome to our wood carving tutorial, where today we're delving into the mystical realm of folklore by creating a hand-carved wood spirit. Ideal for those who appreciate the allure of myth or want to add a touch of enchantment to their home decor. In this session, we're tackling a fascinating project inspired by the lore of the forest. Get ready to be captivated as we turn a simple piece of wood into a mesmerizing wood spirit. Thorough preparation is key in the art of wood carving. Before we commence the carving, let's dive into the specifics of our design. Our chosen piece, a 12 by 8 by 2 inches base wood block, is perfect for our wood spirit figure. Tight bond glue will assist in affixing our pattern onto the block. Now, with your carving tools at the ready, join us in this imaginative expedition. We'll walk you through each step of creating the wood spirit, offering insights and advice to refine your carving prowess. Particularly for those who are new to this craft. Today's challenge involves sculpting a detailed wood spirit from our block. This endeavor will put our skills to the test, so let's begin. Envision the wood spirit's silhouette within the block's dimensions. Drawing its outline on the wood will serve as a roadmap for your carving, ensuring a proportionate and impactful figure. As we initiate the carving, focus on methodically removing excess wood. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up with our engaging carving episodes, where we wield our specialized wood carving knives to bring folklore to life. Carefully outline the pattern with your knife, progressing slowly along the lines. And remember the importance of safety. Always carve away from yourself. After the initial outline, we move on to give the wood spirit depth. Mold the figure, mindful of the contours and features that will breathe life into it. For novices, mastering the cut depth and maintaining symmetry are vital. Be patient, periodically reviewing your piece. Also, consider the wood grain direction, which is crucial to prevent splintering. Carving with the grain facilitates smoother cuts and a finer finish. Now refine the wood spirit's features and textures using finer tools. This phase is where personality and detail emerge, defining your creation. Every step is a learning opportunity, especially for beginners. Embrace the journey, accepting that each imperfection is a lesson. Wood carving is an art that flourishes with practice and passion. So whether you're an experienced carver or just embarking on your journey, approach this challenge with enthusiasm and creativity. We encourage you to share your progress and any obstacles you encounter in the comments section, fostering our community's growth and learning. Lastly, thank you for participating in this wood spirit carving tutorial. If you found inspiration in this project, please like, share, and subscribe. Connect with us on social media and share your carving endeavors in the comments. Let's continue to explore and celebrate the art of wood carving together.